Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐿 here, and in my cookie lion robe. Y'all know I love robes. Anyways, I know that a lot of people out there want to make money passively, without having to recruit, and really have a simple way to make money from home. And I'm here to actually share one with you that I've been testing. I'm so super excited to share this with people because it really is amazing. I've been looking at a lot of top earners like jump on something like this to make money, and I say, let me go see what they talking about. So I jumped in this amazing group, and one of the earners just published, they made $100,000 this year with just this method. So I'm excited to bring this to my audience and share with you how you can make a multi-stream income doing something that doesn't involve recruiting, or it doesn't involve really talking to anybody at all. And I know a lot of people out there say that. They say, oh yeah, this is a passive income stream. And then you get in it and you're like, no, this ain't that passive. Like, I do have to actually talk to people. Well, let me tell you, there is no talking to people with this. So this is called the $500 blueprint. There's truly no selling, no recruiting, nothing that you have to buy in terms of like, like things like that. Yes, there is an investment. Let me be clear that for the system. Okay. So yes, you do have to pay for that because you have to have the know-how to how to do this. But let me tell you, when the profits will supersede the small little, I'm telling you, tiny investment that you have to pay for the system. So let's get into it. Reason why I really like this system is because this is for really a newbie. So while a newbie is learning, their whatever, I don't know, their program, right? And learn how to market and do all those things that really they don't know how to do just yet. They could be making money, okay? But also for experienced marketers who, maybe they don't want to recruit anymore. They don't want to recruit and they're just looking for a simple, passive way to make money that doesn't require traffic or doesn't require talking to people or marketing at all, really. So what this $500 blueprint, the program, teaches you how to do, they actually literally hold your hand and teach you how to make money with this system that doesn't require you to talk to anybody, okay? So how this works is you spend 10 to 15 minutes a day doing simple 4 to 5 question surveys. It's a really low cost to start. It's really easy to get started, okay? So, I mean, when I say this is really newbie proof, this is, okay? So what happens is you pay $1 to do the survey, and the company, as soon as you complete the survey, they give you $1 back plus 25 cents for every, so you're making $1.25, right? Like every single time for every survey that you do. Okay, so people say, why do I have to pay $1? They're just holding you $1 till you complete the survey. That's it. Okay, you get that back. Plus you get 25 cents. Listen, I've already opened an account for my mom so that she could, I'm like, oh man, like this is crazy how this compounds and how simple this is. And I'm going to show you. So, the $500 blueprint, what I like about it is, listen, yesterday I was like, oh, I have a goal. I want to build my way with this to about $200 a day. Okay, so yesterday I was there were some things that I just needed to understand about this system. The system owner hopped in a training room with me for an hour. This is why people need to get in with this $500 blueprint. Because when I tell you that the system owners, they are in training rooms for 2 hours a day, you can just hop in, they'll answer whatever questions you have. I've never seen nothing like it. When I say that this training room is open every single, Monday through Friday, I think it's Monday through Friday. Yeah, Monday through Friday. It's amazing. And they're showing you how to use this system to build your income. I'm already, by the end of the day, I'll show you in a second, but I think I'll be at, by the end of the day, most likely I'll be at $80 a day. And it's crazy. So I'm really excited to show people how to use this system, okay? So with this $500 blueprint, they're going to give you the step-by-step systematic way to do. They're going to show you. They have a daily training room and they have weekly Thursday trainings. So it's really amazing. Now, if you really want to 10x your earnings, they do have a sister program, and it's called the 100K Club. And what that is like the $500 blueprint on steroids, okay? So all you have to do is, if you want to get to $100,000, you have to do 20 surveys a day, and then it's a matrix. So what happens is you get paid from levels 2 through 7. I don't want to get too into this because you could just, there'll be information. I have a free group if you want to get added to, okay? So it's $1 per head that you get paid on every person in this matrix, okay? Now here's the thing. You don't have to actually advertise for this 100K club. There's done for you traffic built into the system. So they essentially advertise your website for you, okay? And then every time someone comes to the 100K club, you get paid $1 per head underneath, and then you're also making $15 on the front end of every person who comes in. So it's really amazing how many ways you can get paid with this. So let me show you how this works with the actual service. Let's go back up. So again, you can either do the $500 blueprint, or if you're ready to make really good money, like you want to make 100K with this survey system, then you most likely want to do the 100K club. It's not out yet, but I have a pre-launch group that you could get in and start learning some information about it. All right, so let me show you this survey system, and I want to show you today. Okay, so let's go. Am I in earnings? Okay, so the way this works, again, I told you, you complete the surveys, they pay you $1, you give them $1, and then they pay you back your $1 when you finish the survey, plus you get the 25 cents. Okay, so today I had 46 reports ordered. The day isn't over. I'm still have reports coming in. Okay, and so that's $46. But look at what they paid me out today. So I got paid out. The day is not over. It's 2:22 p.m. Okay, so far today I've earned $85.34. So if you subtract the $44 that they held until I finished surveys, let's see, 85 minus, was it $44? So I earned $39 today. Okay, and the day isn't over. I will still keep earning. Okay, and yeah, so let's do the math. Let's say let's just roll with that. Whoa. So let's say $39 times 30 days. Okay, you made $1,000 for the month for doing 5 question surveys that take a second. And let me show you how quick this is. I did this in front of my TV this morning. So what you do is you come into the system, and please do not just go get this without going through the $500 blueprint. I'm gonna tell you why. I had this system, went to Freester before and just tried to, I could do this on my own, and did a lot of things wrong and made no money because I didn't understand. That's why the $500 blueprint shows you what to do, how to do it, how to compound your money, and how to get yourself. If you want to make $50 a day, $100 a day, it doesn't matter what it is you want to make daily, you can get there with this program, and you don't have to talk to people. So when I come into this system, using the knowledge that I have from the 500 blueprint on what to do, how to set up the system, yada yada yada, I'll come in and I do these surveys, and let me show you how quick this is. So you will get a survey. Okay, so this is a good one. There's really not a lot of information here, so it's going to ask you, do you know the name on this report? No, I don't know the name on this report because I don't know this person. How many names is this person record? How many names is this phone number associated with? So I put 1. Do I recognize the phone number? No, because I don't know this person, right? There's no really wrong answer with these surveys, okay? So you're helping them with reverse phone lookups, okay? What state appears? There's no state, so you leave it as it is. And then, do you recognize the address? And there's no address, so I just say no. So it's no, 1, no. If the state needs to change, here's the state, and then it's no. All right, I hit submit, and boom. Now that $1.25 appears in my account because I completed the survey. Right, I have 15 more to go so far for the day, and that's it. I mean, and they'll probably post more to my account throughout the day. So that's it. So if you want to learn more, make sure you do 2 things. Subscribe to my channel so you can get more notifications of passive income streams just like this. And also make sure you check out the comment section below because there'll be information on how you can learn more about this program And that'll be it. All right. Bye, guys.